guys, let me show you how I achieved this look. Yes, this look is very beautiful, easy to achieve, and you don't need to break the bank to look this good. So let's dive in. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl channel. So right here I'm trying to clean my face. Yes, and after cleaning my face I'm applying moisturizer. Yes, I'm going in with my moisturizer, to prep the face, and I'm going in with my primer. Yes, primer. So at this point I am prepping the face to make so that the makeup will sit properly and last longer when it's done applying. Yeah guys, so guys, if it's your first time coming across my video, please do wait to subscribe, give my video a thumbs up, comment, like and share, and also turn on notification bell so when I post a new video you'll be the first to be notified. Yes, your girl is back with her with what she likes doing. Yes, which is makeup. Yes, which is makeup. So right now I'm going in with my trying to draw my brows. Guys, I'm trying to draw my brows, and yes, this is how it's going. And before then guys, let me wish you a happy new year, and I pray that this 2024 is going to be a fulfilling and blessed year for all of us. Yes, this is my prayer to you, my people. Yeah, this is my prayer to you. Happy new year. Welcome to 2024, and I pray it's a blessed year for all of us. Yeah. Yes, so I think I'm okay with the brows. I'm trying to like fill it in right now. Yes, I think I'm okay with how it's looking. So guys, at this point it depends on how you want your brow to look like. You understand? Do you want it big, tiny, or medium? Depends on how you want it, your desire. So I'm trying to like fill it in and also make it lap a bit more, as you can see what I'm doing.
Leave me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break.
This is all you have to do to have a defined brow in 2024. In 2024 guys, you need to learn how to do your own makeup so that you don't spend much on makeup. Yes, I said so. So I'm going in now with my pro concealer from Classic. Yes, this is the first time I'm actually trying this pro concealer from Classic, and guys, in my review I'll say it's very nice. You have to try it, it's nice. So I'm using this light darker shade for my upper part of the brow. Yes, this is a darker foundation that is my shade for my the upper part of the brow, but I think it's also looking a little bit brighter, but never worry, we're going to blend everything out. So I'm also going in again with the pro concealer from Classic. Yeah guys, Classic, you don't need to break the bank for you to look good or for you to achieve your makeup look in 2014 guys. Yes, so I'm going in with my pro concealer because I want my eyeshadow to pop up, so I'm using it as my the base. Yes, using it as a base, so you have to blend it out well. I'm also going in with a loose powder to set it properly so that when I'm applying my eyeshadow, it's not going to be tacky. Yes, you heard me right, it's not going to be tacky. And I'm going in now with my eyeshadow base. Yes, in a color of nude. I'm actually using a nude eyeshadow palette. I'm using a nude eyeshadow palette for this base. Yes, because of the look I want to achieve. I don't want something very poppy, but it's going to pop, but not too poppy. Get. And again, guys, well, it depends on the kind of eyeshadow look that you want to derive. It depends on the eyeshadow look that you want, so that would determine the base that you're going with. Yes. So guys, never to worry, I'll be showing you all the makeup products that I use. I'll leave it in the description box, though I'm also going to show some part of it in this video, and the remaining and the ones I also showed, I'm going to leave it in the description box, so you're not missing out on anything. All the products, all the makeup products, I'm going to leave them in the description box, so you have nothing to lose, nothing to worry, nothing to lose, no excuse. In this 2024, you have to look good. Don't look like your problem. Don't look like your problem. Yeah, so guys, I'm going in with the base. Yes, and guys, this may look so simple on the screen, but you have to blend. You have to blend. You have to blend. You have to blend. I'm going in with the second base now. Yes, in this shade that is shown on the screen. Yes, because of the look that I want to achieve. Yes, you have to blend for you to have for you to get a very good eyeshadow look. You have to blend out so well. You have to blend. You have to blend. You have to blend. So guys, I'll be using this blush palette that I got. It's actually a new one, guys. Yes, I also leave the products, the name in the description box, because this is good. You can use it as blush, you can use it as your eyeshadow. So I'm using it as my eyeshadow in this video. I'm using it as my eyeshadow in this video, and it came out so nice. Like, the color is popping. It came out so nice. You can also use it. You can also use it. Have an alternative, you know. Have an alternative. So I'm going in with this pink color. Yes, this color is actually very beautiful and bright. Yes, beautiful and bright. So I'm blending in. Like I said, guys, you have to blend in so well. I'm going back with the base that I used earlier, to blend out this pink eyeshadow that I just used. Yes, to blend it out. I don't want, like I said, I do not want it to be too bright, but also want it to pop. I don't want it to pop too much, but I also want it to pop. So I'm going back with the base, the nude base that I used, to blend it out in order to achieve what I actually wanted. Yes. So I'm also going in with this is a classic eyeshadow palette. Yes, guys, this is a classic eyeshadow palette. I'm going in with the darker shade of just like the one you saw on the screen, to have a little bit of dark at the outer part of the shadow. Yes, so I'm blending it in now. You can use black, you can also use the darker purple shade of it. I missed the both of them. I just wanted to achieve this little what is it called, this little guys, okay, when I remember what I wanted to say, I will say it. Yes, so I'm going in now with my eyeliner and mascara. Yes, I'm going in with my mascara, eyeliner and stuff. So guys, this is my first lashes. I don't know why, but I do have a little bit struggle trying to put my forces by myself on my own face, but it's more easier for me on someone else's face. I don't know, guys, do you also have this issue when it comes to putting on your false lashes? So guys, I actually went in with two shade of foundations, because the first one I thought was going to be my shade, but when I applied it was looking a little bit brighter, so I went in with another darker shade in a color 4. Yes, also classic, guys, also classic. And I tried out a new foundation, Flawless Ivy. I tried it out, guys. It's nice, and it's affordable. Yes, it's nice and it's affordable. And I'm going in back with the Classic Pro concealer that I used earlier for my eyes. Yes, I'm going it now to highlight my face. Yes, guys, just trust the process. And you'll see. So like I said earlier, guys, you have to blend. For you to achieve a very good makeup look, you have to blend. It might look easier on the screen, but it's not that very easy because you have to blend. So right now I'm baking my face with the loose powder. And highlighting, putting it on all the places that I've highlighted with the concealer. Yes. So like I was saying, you have to blend. Makeup, you have to blend, so that your makeup, the products are going to sit in so well. So I'm applying my powder contour. I'm very used to powder contour. Maybe one of these days I'm going to try out the cream contour, but most of the times what I use is powder contour, as you can see on the screen. So lest I forget, guys, like I said when I was trying to explain what I was trying to achieve with my eyeshadow, I said I was trying to get a little bit smoky eyes. Yes, so that's why I used that darker eyeshadow, the black eyeshadow, which I mixed with the darker shade of purple. Yes, to achieve this. So I'm also using the powder contour to contour my nose, and as you can see, I'm also blending it into my eyeshadow so that there's not going to be any harsh lines on the eyebrow. There's not going to be any harsh lines. That's why I was taking it in. And this is the blush palette that I told you earlier. Yes, the blush is blushing. So guys, I'm using a fluffy blush now, a fluffy brush, to blend out any remnants of these powders, to blend it out, to make it look smoother. And I'm going in with my bronzer, yes, to highlight the area that I applied my contour. I'm also highlighting my eyeshadow to make my eyebrow to make it pop out. And I'm going in now with my mascara to define the eyes. Like I want the eyes to like pop out. I want it to pop. Yes. And for my lip, I actually had a hard time trying to decide on what to do to this lip, because I wanted like a little bit dramatic lip, but at the end I decided to go with nude, something nude, since I wanted something not too natural, not too dim, but something that will pop. So I went in with a nude lip stain, and this lip liner that I just got recently. I'm also going to put it in the comment section, sorry, in the description box, for you to know this lip liner is good, guys. So here we go, guys. This is the final look. This is the final look. This is the final look. Guys, tell me in the comment section, are you going to try out this simple look? Simple but yet popping. Tell me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Bye.